ESET Cloud Office Security, or ECOS, provides advanced protection for your Exchange Online, OneDrive, and Teams chat communication, using a powerful combination of spam filtering, anti-malware scanning, and anti-phishing, ultimately securing most of your company communications and cloud storage. All this via an easy-to-use, cloud-based console. Furthermore, ECOS allows you to protect all new users automatically, set up policies, receive notifications, or set up multiple tenants with one license. So what exactly does ECOS do? This video will guide you through the essentials. The first thing that you need is ESET Business Account or ESET MSP Administrator Account. Our license is now verified. Go to Dashboard in ESET Business Account. Find the ECOS tile and click Activate. Choose Data Center Location and select I agree to the terms of use and Activate. Click Open. ECOS Dashboard will open in a Browser tab. Then you can see the ECOS Web Console, and the first thing is to add a tenant. Type an appropriate Office 365 tenant name, or full domain name, or tenant ID. Sign into Azure or Office 365. Select the appropriate account you are using, or Office 365 Administrator account credentials. Then accept the permissions request. Now the Office tenant has been successfully added to ECOS. Next, I will protect all users using the Welcome wizard. I can easily mark all users and click Protect. Now I will select a tenant or a group, and this means that I will turn on the Auto Protection. Simply, when you select a tenant or group and hit Protect, all newly added users to Microsoft Office 365 will be automatically protected by ECOS. Then confirm with Protect. Now you can see that under Tenant, ESET Education, I already have 11 users. On the dashboard, you can see the current total number of users and tenants. I have already run scripts to send some emails and upload a few files to OneDrive for the purposes of this demonstration. If I check Dashboard now, you can see that we have some spam, phishing, and malware. If I switch to Exchange Online, you can see a report about emails flow and detections. Switch to OneDrive and you can see a similar report. You can also select time period to have a better overview. When I go to Users tab, I can see all users and groups. You can see that there is one group called Developers and Education ESET, same as the domain name. It is a group created in Office 365 to have developers in one group. Then to go to Users Details, click on the icon next to the user's name and then Show Details. You can also protect or unprotect users. Now you can see the overview with basic information like email. In Configuration, you can find Settings and Policies. In Settings, you can see the current configuration. And remember, it is read-only. All changes are done through Policies. When you check the Policies tab, you can see which policies are assigned to this user. This user has only the default policy. In Detection, you can see all detections caught for this user in Exchange Online and OneDrive. Click on this icon and you will see quick details. Same with the Quarantine. You can check and manage objects for this user. You can release, delete, or download objects. Here we can see all detected threats. You can use Filter for faster searching. You can choose from the following options. I can select Scan Result and I want to list all phishing emails. Again, you can switch between Exchange Online and OneDrive. Use the icon to see quick details. Here you can see details about this detection, when it occurred, type of threat, and others. In quarantine, you can manage objects, I mean emails and files that were quarantined by ECOS. You can go to Details, Release, Delete, or you can download it as original file or password-protected archive. Now I will check configuration. Go to Policies. We have the default policy and we are protected. You can see that there is filtering, same as in other sections. Click New Policy to create a new policy. Type a name. It will be Test Logs and description is optional. Continue with Settings. Select Log all objects in Exchange Online General. Here you can set notifications to be sent to user or admin, for example when malware is detected. Then select Log all objects in OneDrive General and assign to user. In this example, we can choose to assign this policy to a group. Now I check the logs, and you can see clean files have also been logged. You can easily change policy priority. The order of the policies determines when they are applied. The higher the order number, the later the policy is applied. License management displays license information and usage, license pool name, status, units, etc. License pools are available only if you have existing sites in ESET business account. In license management, you can also turn on auto protection if you haven't done it when adding a new tenant. In Settings, you can remove and add Office 365 tenants. Now, I will add another tenant to show you the Multitenancy feature. If you use the same email address in both EBA and EMA registration, you can easily switch between these accounts. This was a brief showcase of how ECOS can help secure your company communications. For more detailed information, please visit ESET Knowledge Base. If you'd like to experience ECOS firsthand, we suggest you try it out with our free trial or contact your local reseller.